This is Sort 13, Short A and Long A. Before we get started actually sorting the words, let's look at the words to see if we can find the ones that are homophones. Remember, homophones are words that sound the same, are spelled differently, and of course the words mean something different as well. Point to these words and see if we can find the ones that are homophones. Here's one, Maine. I'm going to put it up at the top. And here's Maine as well. And here's the other one, tail and tail. Please take out your phonics notebook and turn to your section related to homophones. We are going to write these homophones down. Now remember, you can always stop this video at any time to be able to get things ready. Alright, we're going to go ahead and write the word Maine down. You have your paper. I'm going to put a piece of paper here. I'm going to write the word Maine. Please do that on your homophone sheet as well. This one is related to the lion's mane. Belongs to the lion. And you can draw a quick picture to represent that as well. The next one is main, as in the main idea of something. The main idea of the paragraph, the main idea of what we're trying to learn. It means, the most important thing. So you might write most important or main idea. If you can think of a drawing to represent that for you, please feel free to draw that now. The other one we have is tail, and this relates to a story. I'm going to tell you a story or a tale. You could draw a picture of a book if you wanted to represent that, or something else that you think would help you. The next one is tail as well, as in the tail of an animal. An animal's tail. And you can draw some quick animal, which I'm sure will be loads better than mine. But remember, this isn't a piece of art. The point is so that you'll remember what the words mean. They are homophones. They sound the same, spelled different, and mean different things. All right, we are working on short A and long A. And I'm going to show you what we do to represent those. Here's short A. It looks like a U over the A. And I can put some eyes here. Kind of a smiley face. To remind me that when you have a curved line like this over the A, then that means a short A sound. So for example, cat, k, at. The A sound represents the short A. Long A is represented by a straight line. That's not as happy of a face for this one, but like a subtraction sign or a dash. And that one means the long A sound. For example, cake, k, a, k. The long A sound. It basically means saying the letter. We're going to sort these based on these two categories, as well as there's a couple that don't fit this rule. See if you can find them when we do the sort. So we got main and main, space, ra-a-a, that's going to be like cat. Camp is a little different. If you take out the M, you hear cap. That really should be the kind of clue for you that this is a short A sound. The M affects the vowel sound a little bit. M and N and different vowels that are different consonants that are after the vowel can affect the sound. But if you take that out, you can hear that's cap. Paint, place, said, black, faint, tail, chain, these are all flash, oh we gotta go over here for that, frame, brain, want, that definitely seems like it doesn't fit our sound, wah-ah, we're looking for and a, tail, blame, train, and rain. Okay, well there is actually an oddball missing, so let's see if you can find it. After you do them, sort them by sound, you read them aloud to see if they do sound the same way. Short A, rash, camp, black, flash. Sounds good. Long A, main, space, paint, place, said. Oops. There it is. Said. That sounds like the vowel sound E. That has to go in oddball. Faint, chain, tail, frame, brain, tail, blame, train, and rain. Okay, these I put into the second row, but all three of these columns represent the long A. Okay. All right, so that's separated by sound. Now we need to look at the spelling patterns. I bet if you look at the long A, you can see something that you could probably organize these into two different categories that still represent the long A sound, but also then deal with the spelling pattern itself. Let's take a look. We of course have the short A, and here it is. This one is represented by consonant, vowel, consonant. Here it is. Consonant, vowel, consonant. That when you have that spelling combination, you will make the short A sound, as in rash. Okay, let's look at the long A, and let's split that into two categories as well. Still has the straight line to represent long A. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Here's an example of that. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. When you have this kind of combination, you make the long A sound. I always say the evil E makes the A say its name, as in main, that's the letter A sound, right, as well. The evil E makes the vowel say its name. Here it is. Now here we have a different one. Still long A, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. AI makes the long A sound as well. So we're going to sort this one by consonant, vowel, consonant, E. And this one, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y acts like a vowel. And then, of course, all the other letters, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z are all the consonants. So most of the letters are actually consonants. All right, so let's sort them by this way. Here's the AI pattern. Here's the consonant, vowel, consonant, E pattern. Okay. This will make two columns of. Now let's see if we've done it correctly. All of these represent the short A sound. All of these represent the long A sound, and you can see they all end in E. And these are all AI words. Now we have our oddballs here. This one has the same spelling pattern, but does it sound the same? Chain, paint, brain, said. Definitely not. It's still an oddball. How about this one? Camp, black, flash, want. No, definitely these still relate to the oddball. This is sort 13, representing short A and long A.